In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change edit reset button in Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to change the button that you use to reset buildings. So I'm gonna teach you how to change it for your keyboard, but you can absolutely do the same thing if you are using a controller. So all that you have to do is open Fortnite on any platform and then open this menu at the right side of the screen. In here, you will see the social tab, and all that you have to do is go over to the settings. So click on the settings icon, or if you are using a controller, hover over this, and now you will be able to browse through various categories. At the top, if you are using a keyboard, go to keyboard controls. If you are using a controller, you will go over here instead. But regardless, once you go over to keyboard controls, you will have plenty of categories at the left. All that you have to do is locate the building category. So either scroll all the way down until you find a building, or click on the left between targeting and communication. Now you will have all of the different buttons. As you can see, the last one under the building category is going to be Reset Building Edit. So all that you have to do is change this option to change the Edit Reset button. So you click on this and then you press any key that you would like to use. So I'm going to choose a random one as an example. So now number 9 was set to Reset Building Edit. You can press Escape if you want to cancel. And you can change this back to the original one. If you don't remember the default key, then just choose this option here, Restore to Default. And all of the keyboard controls will be changed accordingly. And now this will be set up. You can also possibly assign a secondary key, so you can have two keys that will do the same action. So if this one is being used, you could use the other one and vice versa. And if you want to empty all of them, just click on this X icon. Always remember to apply the changes after you are done. So once you change this, click on apply here before proceeding. So I hope I was able to help you on changing this button. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.